So first make this, and here I want to. This is the Dory's mother. Actually, I make this eyebrow. This is the eyebrow. Okay, and this is Dory's mother. Here you can draw like one.
Sir, Dory is a blue tank fish.
Yes, beta. Dory is the blue.
That is little.
Yes.
Sir, you are gonna look us one that I sees that movie.
Yes.
He was one piece. Look about.
Yeah. Done that much? Okay, now I just make it here. Now, fin like this. In top of head to draw the fin like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like this. Okay. Now, just draw here and down. You have a one. This is what? Fin. Just fin.
This is the dorsal fin.
Yeah.
This is the dorsal fin.
Yeah. Make the two fin here and here. Okay, and make one fin over here, small fin. Okay. After that, we are making the shading. Okay. Okay. See, Adira, first draw the line like this. First step 1, draw like this. Okay, and then the mouth, eyes, fin, tail like this. Okay.
Sir, is this done? How are still making it? These are handmade. What can you see?
Yes.
Is this nice?
Nice. this. Okay, so we are starting the shading now. So we will first put the shading. Okay, here the inside design like this. You can draw one design. This is only design. Okay, fine. So we are making the shading. We do shading like this. I do shading. This is how this shading number 4 is called the random shading. Okay, so you can put like this random shading. No strokes, you can see. No strokes. Okay, only one color like this. Take your pencil like this. Okay, so do this shading. Okay, this one. Like this. Okay, yeah, black and I doing the shading, pencil shading drawing. Okay, first do this one. Okay, fine. And here also put this. Okay, like this. First do these things, second you do these things. And you are using only pencil, no any other color. Okay, this is pencil shading. So you can learn the pencil shading. Okay.
Sir, I have done the keys.
Oh, very good. Very good. Okay, make the shading. After that, make the shading this area. See this area only. Make the shading this area only. Okay. Adira, understood, beta? Yes. Then I do shadings in down. I do shading this area, but very lightly, very lightly. I do the rapid stroke. See, like this. I do shadings rapid stroke. Okay, like this. Okay. So in down part, I do some shading.
But sir,
Yeah.
I think you're doing the first one, not the rapid stroke. It's much darker rapid stroke.
No, this is stroke only, beta. Now, like this.
Okay, random.
This is random stroke. Okay. This is number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. This is rapid. That is a line stroke, rapid stroke, dark to light stroke, and this is the random stroke. So random stroke I'm using here. So here no any shading, no any strokes is there, no any stroke like this. But here you can see some strokes is there. So I apply these things, these things I apply here. Okay, like this. Aram se. Okay. Take your time.